Play it all. Is she on your mind? You can go and do what y'all niggas always doing, don't tell me. She better understand the consequences.
About some open is this one. I was about upside down. So these are my hand sanitizer tubes. They're very small. That's what they look like. And my the tops, not the tops, the plastic saran wrap thing that go around it. So yeah, I have these. Okay, y'all, let's over the next box. So this is lip gloss base. This right here you got is just what's called space for no problem. I love that lip gloss base. It's very thick. I like it to be. So yeah, I have these as well. I already opened these. They're from, I do not know how to pronounce their brand. I think it's K Premium, something like that. But I have 12 very bright colors. So y'all can see that. What they look like. So, and this package, it's a lot of stuff in here. So yeah, let's cut this open and see what we got. Hold on, this is stuff on my hand. Okay, okay, these two little butterflies. They're really cute. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. They're really cute little butterflies. They have very they have like the pastel pinkish type and metallic, and I forgot what that pink called, but yeah, it's the butterflies. Next I have these little flower thingies. Wait, up closer so y'all can see them. I have these. They're very pretty. And I have these little bunnies. These also very pretty as well. And I have these flowers right here. Some more flowers. These ones glow in the dark. I'm gonna make a flower pop up, but these two little flowers, they glow in the dark. And we have some fruit slices. Well, fruit and vegetable slices because there's vegetables in here as well. What they look like. And lastly, I have some little Tweety birds. Okay. For the last package, this is from UPS. Oh yeah, mama called me, but this package is from UPS, and it was free. So yeah. Y'all want a video on how to get free shipping boxes and things like that from UPS? Comment down below. Also I got these colored lip gloss tubes as well. Somebody actually gave me these. But I have these. And hold on. It's kind of hard to open up this pack. There we go. Here go the tops and the caps. And it's a 50 piece. All of them are 2 milliliters. For the tops and the stoppers. The tube look like. And look like some stormtroopers in the back. So in the back, we have some organza bags and some little nice day little stickers. Yeah. See, I don't know if I could, but it says nice day. And they gave us some organza bags. Yellow little organza bags. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's 10 organza bags. And I have 2 packs of these lip gloss tubes. But so it's 20 organza bags in all. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.
Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy. Get started with a handshake, baby. I'm in